just started as a surgical supply company, actually a hospital supply company. We used to supply everything a hospital is required. And after doing this hospital supply, and we were doing distribution, import and distributing various surgical products. So in the course of our interaction with other companies in America and the other people, we come to know there is a segment called home health care. So we just started first time in India, home health care. Later on, when we just opened a home health store, we found that the requirements, varied requirement of customer. So we learn to source and provide the customer their requirement. We are learning about the changing taste in this field. So this enable us to make ourselves give a better offering to the customer. So the home health care, we've been pioneer, and we just have been growing a lot of products, bringing new products to this field. In this category consists seeing us, visiting our shop, visiting our trade shows. They just started multiplying. This home health segment is growing very rapidly now, not only in India, not in America, in Europe and rest of the world actually. With our association with India Mart has taken our company customers all over India, and we were able to supply to customers all over India. So our customer base has become very wide, not only all over India. The recent times India Mart has done some more efforts that has taken us, we could say, to the world. Minimum we get at least 20 to 30 inquiries we get per day. This has been possible because of the excellent promotional team in India Mart, and they give to a leading supplier like us, they give a special attention to promote our products. All these things is helping us in the growth of market. We hope to associate with India Mart in the long run for a better growth